Hey everybody, how's it going? Y'all, I just got off my live workshop and I saw a lot of people on there. I hope that you guys got registered and got to watch. It was so much fun. I mean, you know, with any live production, it can be, you know, little things happen. Like there should have been times that I was muted and I wasn't, so I want to apologize for that. Let me see if I can get myself any closer. Maybe not. Anyway. I hope you guys got to watch. I hope you have placed your Disney order. Some things are running low, and I just wanted to hop on here and let y'all know that our CEO is actually placing an order for refills. So don't fear. Do not fear. We will get more. Let me put this on the broadcast channel. Look, how many of you guys are going to be watching tomorrow? I know some people couldn't watch tonight. And look, are y'all super excited like I am about the Disney stuff? Oh my gosh. It's so awesome. And, y'all, tell me where you're watching from, what's been going on today. Y'all probably can guess what I've been doing, trying to get ready for this live. Oh my goodness. Hey, Kathy. Hey, Brett. And listen, y'all let me know if you've placed your orders yet, like I said. And there's some buffering going on. And what that means is some items are running low in stocks and, you know, there's a lot in carts and stuff. So keep refreshing. If it says it's out, keep refreshing. Because hopefully we'll have it for you. And like I said, y'all, I think these Disney designs, and we're going to have more coming, and then we're going to restock anything that's sold out. And so I didn't want y'all to worry. But this is the exclusive design. Like if you get the transfer bundle, it is called Roll Call. Hopefully y'all can see that. My phone's been kind of acting about as crazy as me. So type the word Disney. Go check everything out. And if you get the transfer bundle, and those are while supplies last, you'll get this. And y'all, I've made videos to share with y'all with all the things that we made. But this is one of the things, in case you didn't get to watch or you're watching tomorrow, I'm going to show you how to do this. I love this. It's a photo frame, but while I'm waiting on the photo, you know, got a little Mickey in there. Hey, Kathy. I hadn't seen y'all in a couple of days because I've been making stuff to share with you guys. So comment Disney, D-I-S-N-E-Y, and I'll send you a message and you can go browse around. We do have some heat transfers with this release that I think you're going to love. And I've got one that I'm going to put on like a light yellow shirt, and I cannot wait to do it. I'm trying to see if y'all got any questions. And look, everything's a mess right now. Oh, thank you, Jaylene. Hey, Valinda. Oh, Kathy, I'll find a link and get that to you. Hey, Chris. Kimberly said, this is actually from Dollar General. But any wooden frame will do. And I did, these are on our chalkboards. And this is kind of like a countdown. You can write whatever you want to here. But guys, if you didn't get to watch tonight, be sure to sign up for tomorrow. We're doing it again. It'll be 12 Eastern, 11 Central, 10 Mountain, and so forth and so on. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to see if y'all are saying, if I missed anything, any comments. But anyway, comment Disney. And like I said, if anything's showing out of stock, refresh your screen because a lot of things are buffering. A lot of people have stuff in their carts. Y'all, this is awesome. I love it. You can do so many things. So be sure to sign up and come to the live workshop tomorrow. They gave away so much stuff. I mean, they gave away paste bundles. I'm trying to see if I've got every color that was in it. I think this is right. So if they have any left, this was while supplies last. You can get a paste bundle. And then there's also a beginner's toolkit where you get some board erasers. You get a fuzzing cloth, mini squeegee, and a detail tool. So hopefully those are still available. I know they gave a lot of them away, and I know a lot of people are grabbing, you know, their favorite Disney items so they can make their own shirts, they can make their own photo frames, they can make all kinds of fun stuff. And y'all, it's so much fun. I'm going to hop off here. I got to claim my transfers and get ready for tomorrow. And like I said, if you didn't get to come tonight, try to come tomorrow. And y'all have a great night. Remember, type the word Disney if you want to go scroll and check things out. And love you guys. See you later.